Hi everyone, it's Gary Nicholson here. Just a quick update for you on Monday the 3rd of September. Just some changes to things later in the week to draw your attention to. Not looking too bad for many places through midweek, although what's left of a cold front will produce rather murky conditions across the Pennines and parts of Wales too on Tuesday. Through the later part of the week, though, cooler air is coming down from the north, that distinctly chilly air is possible, and things trying to turn more unsettled too. Now, the weather models have been evolving quite a complicated story over the past few days. It was looking fairly straightforward for the first 10 days of September that high pressure would be around, but it's this small area of colder air at middle layers in the atmosphere shown on this chart that's just drifting in across northern Britain through the second half of the week. Still, uncertainty is exactly how far that gets and what it does. It's trying to develop a small area of low pressure around the North Sea, which could generate zones of showers, perhaps even some more organised rain. High pressure tries to build over the top of that to the north and around toward the west. It could be that that little low gets squeezed away, but I think for the later part of this week and maybe into the start of the weekend, things are looking that bit more unsettled than they were at one point. Here's the charts through midweek then, and Tuesday shows a weak front still across the Pennines, Peak District and eastern parts of Wales, where it's a rather murky picture with drizzle and low cloud. Lifting slowly behind that across the western side of Wales, across the Lake District and much of Scotland. It's a bright day in a cooler air mass, but a pleasant picture for most with light winds. Fronts start to edge in from the west on Wednesday towards western Scotland, where low cloud, drizzly rain will come on, and that extending further inland as time goes on through Wednesday. Towards central eastern Scotland, though, dry much of the day, and a fair day for northern England and Wales. That previous front out of the way, with most cloud above the tops and winds light. It's by Thursday where things start to become more complicated as bits of fronts try and topple southwards. Areas of showers possible across Scotland and northern England. Some places may escape not too bad, but that risk of showers developing, I think, increases as time goes on. And that chillier air mass being drawn down from the north too, only just above freezing on the very highest tops where some sleet may well occur in Scotland. Now, I'm not absolutely convinced that's the final chart for Friday, but the risk is that the little area of low pressure tries to spin up within that zone of cooler air. The risk of that bringing some more organised rain, at the very least some areas of showers. One or two forecast models, though, are a touch more optimistic, with just scattered showers perhaps moving around slowly, but that idea of remaining chilly and possibly blustery winds for some as well. We'll look at the outlook towards the weekend in a bit more detail on Tuesday afternoon. I'll leave you with that for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.